So I'm going to be entirely honest with you. This is probably not the video for you if you are searching for a get rich quick scheme. However, if you are a beginner looking for a way to make a small amount of money online, probably $10 per day, keep watching because that is exactly what I will show you in this video. I will show you two various methods to combine to earn money online just by watching video ads. It will not make you rich, but it is a fantastic way to start making money online today, which you can then utilize to invest in bigger and better things in the future. So now, I'm looking forward to showing you this technique today. But before that, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and make the most money. So let's jump into the video. It will be a relatively short video, but I would like you to pay close attention to this because if you miss any of the steps in this video, you might not have the same level of success as I have with this. Furthermore, you may not be able to make money online utilizing it. So pay attention and watch the entire video. And now let's get started. This is the first website. It is called AdWallet. As you can see, they are willing to pay you to watch videos. Make them buy it if brands want your attention. Get paid to watch videos and participate in online surveys from companies you care about. Each interaction is worth up to $3 and takes just a couple of minutes. Plus, you will certainly be able to take advantage of some special offers. They have a video right here that I would advise watching. It is just a couple of sentences long. It lasts about 1 minute 17 seconds and is worth of watching. It is an excellent video with animated graphics. I strongly advise you to watch it to get as much information as possible. Just in case I get a copyright strike or something, I will not show it in this video. But if you want to see it for yourself, go to the website of adwallet.com. After that, when you are ready, click sign up and also you are free to start doing so. It is extremely easy. You watch a video when it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. You will certainly get a text. Make money by answering related questions, taking a quick survey or revealing your email address. You will certainly get a minimum of 50 cents for your undivided attention and a minimum of $3 for every friend you refer. You will certainly get an additional $1. Additionally, you can download offers from your favorite brands. So there are a lot of different methods to make money here. The first method is to watch the video ads. After the ad finished, you will be asked a couple of questions about it. After you have completed those, you can earn much more money by participating in surveys. You can earn a lot more money if you also give the company your email address. You will certainly earn even more money if you refer a friend to this website. Once you reach $10, you have the choice of cashing out in paper money, gift vouchers, bank transfer or donating to charity, and the options is your own. So it's a pretty massive website in their initial 1 year. They paid out $1,032,000 to their members, which is quite impressive. But of course, they are doing very well for themselves with lots of people making a lot of money on here. So they have a FAQ too, and you can discover answers to any questions you might have right here. So once again, go to the website and look into those for yourself. You will find the answers you are searching for if you look at the questions. So that is the very first site I want to introduce to you. As I previously specified, I will show two different approaches in this video. So keep your eyes on this video. Let me show you one more way that I love. It is a form of passive income. So the next step is right here. It is called SlideJoy. This appeals to me because it can access via your smartphone. This is exactly how it works. Every time you open your phone, small images similar to this will appear. These small images are ads or cards as they are known in the industry. You can earn money each time one appears, which is every time you unlock your phone. You can also earn even more money by interacting with the advertisement. So you have three options. You can slide left to learn more about the card, or you can slide right for the more information about the card. If you are not thinking about the ad, you can slide up to see one more card. If you are in a hurry to get to your home screen, you can also slide right. The best option is to slide left because you can earn much more cash if you learn more about the card. They will certainly direct you to an advertisement website to promote and sell their products to you. However, you will certainly not be required to buy anything. As I previously stated, if you don't like the advertisements that is being shown to you, slide it up. Proceed sliding up until you find one that interests you. Open it up and take a look at it. Again, if you don't like it, don't worry. Close your phone and check again. After that, see what other ad you get. So that is pretty much a very basic method for you today. However, it's a fantastic method to get started generating income online. As I started at the outset, they will certainly not make you rich. Don't expect to make $100 each time you open your phone with this. However, you will certainly make at least $10 per day, yet that is exactly how things work. Do this for a couple of months, save some money and then deposit all of it into your PayPal accounts. After a couple of months, you will certainly have a few $100 sitting in your bank account and ready to invest in something else. Invest those few $100 into something. Earn some money from it for a few months until you have thousands of dollars. After that, invest those thousands of dollars into something. After that, you can get tens of thousands of dollars, then hundreds of thousands. That is the method things work. So don't expect to become wealthy overnight. Instead, start tiny and work your way up. And this is a wonderful way to start little by simply watching ads. You can do it on your smartphone, tablet or computer. Whatever you want on, whatever device you have, you can do it on. I would undoubtedly suggest combining it with SlideJoy. So whenever you open AdWallet on your phone, you will certainly initially unlock it. Then slide some ads or cards from SlideJoy before opening AdWallet. This is a great way to make some extra cash on the internet. If you have any queries about this app, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. SlideJoy is just available for Android devices through the Google Play Store because Apple doesn't permit such habits. Because they don't allow ads to show up when you unlock your phone, but Android does. So that's why unfortunately it's only available on Android. And on the other hand, it's available on any device you own. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with others. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notification on. I will see you in the next one.